So it's September 5th. It's just about 7 minutes till 8 o'clock. We've got a severe thunderstorm coming in from the southwest, and the wind's really picked up. Lots of lightning everywhere. Lots and lots of lightning. Yeah, it's just now starting to come over us now. Raindrops are falling, but the worst is yet to come. This one doesn't appear to be quite as powerful as the one that we had last year in July.
Hours before we're going hunting.
And we've got a severe thunderstorm that's coming in. I can hear some of the horses and cattle getting a little bit nervous.
Yeah. There it is. It's coming.
Yep, and the rain is starting to pick up now.
Starting to pick up right now. Oh yeah.
Yep, here it comes.
There
Here it comes.
Come on. Come on, Boo.
Here comes a storm. Here it comes. It's just now starting to go over the top of us. Here it comes. The downpour of rain is starting to come. Starting to hear rumbles of thunder.
We should go on the front porch.
Can you see it better?
Uh-huh. Let's go again.
If you mind sharing them with the whole Ingalls family.
Now here's the front yard now. To probably get a little more clear view version of the storm here. But yeah, the wind's picked up. The
Look towards the hills.
storm is approaching.
See that?
Yep, I've got it right here on film.
Ooh, Jesse.
I've got it right here.
And then over here. Look over here.
Yep. Yep, here it comes.
You see the bright light over there?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
You can officially hear the thunder now. I'm thinking this is the storm of the 12th man.
The light gets really bright over there. See?
Oh, definitely, yeah. Look at all this lightning flashes that are happening. It's tough to get.
Wow.
It's tough to get lightning on a clear photo if you're just taking photos because lightning is too quick for you to take photos. You really have to anticipate its timing if you're really good at it.
I don't know. It seems to be dancing pretty good over there.
Yeah, it is.
See?
Yep. Whoa!
Whoa!
This one doesn't seem quite as powerful, does it?
Well, it's not over us yet.
There we go. You have your rumble of thunder, and you've got lightning all at the same time. Jeez. It's like an old-fashioned light show out here.
Those people that live on that hill are certainly getting shown.
Oh, definitely. It's better than cotton candy, I guess. So there you have it. A severe thunderstorm heading over the top of us on September 5th of 2013.